So let's say you want a font that doesn't currently exist on your computer and you can't find it on, let's say, PowerPoint or Word. If I want to plug in the Key Stencil font, it doesn't currently exist. So in order to install it, go over to your web browser, whichever one you use, and you just type in the name of the font you want, and you will find a lot of different websites that will allow you to download these fonts. Now, there are probably going to be ads on them, which is why it's free, but FontMeme is a perfectly fine website that I'll use. So you click on that, and once you get to your font, you're going to download that font. And when you open the file, it will have a README, a license, and then it will have the font file, which is .otf, open type font file. You're going to double click on that, and you'll see a preview of what that font looks like. And you click install, and it will install that font onto your computer. Once you see the install is complete, the button's grayed out, you can close it. And if we go back to PowerPoint, if we paste that font in, it still doesn't work yet because I have to reset the app so it refreshes. And once I refresh it and I open PowerPoint back up, I'm going to highlight my text, go over to my fonts, and when I type in Keys Stencil, you'll notice that nothing happened. And that's because the font didn't actually install as Keys Stencil. If you go look at the name of it, they called it Keys Black. You can also check the README file, which just shows you a little bit of information about what was available. There's 357 characters. Those are those characters. This is information about where it is on GitHub. So I'll type in Keys Black, and I now have that font able for me to use. Let me know what font you are looking forward to installing on your computer. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.